to start this vlog, which is going to be a lead up into my engagement party. My engagement party is in 2 weeks, and so I just wanted to vlog, show you guys everything that I need to do in the lead up. My hair, my nails, get my outfit together, and also all the DIY things that I'm going to be doing for the party as well. So the first thing on my list of things to do is my engagement welcome sign. So I got this acrylic sheet from Etsy, which I'm going to use, and then I got these stickers from a company called Print Trio, which I'm gonna line up in the middle of the sign. So I'll have them like that. And then I bought a crew-cut machine, which I'm so happy about, but this is too big, so I'm gonna have to do it again. So I'll have this at the top and then this at the bottom. So I'm just gonna do it again a bit smaller so it can all fit on the sheet. And then I've also bought some more vinyl. So the welcome sign is done. I'm so happy with it. Sticking on the pictures was very tedious, but I persevered through and it's all done now, ready for the engagement party. So I'm DIYing my own menus. My engagement party's at Sexy Fish, so here's the menu that we have for the private room. We've got, I made a little logo, which we're going to use for like the wedding and stuff, and then everyone's names here that I just made on some vellum paper or tracing paper because I thought it would be quite cute. So I'm currently making these now. I've got all the wax melt, I've got the menus here, and then everyone's names here, which I'm just getting on with this now. So next up, I'm making a drink sign. This is what I've designed on Canva. I got these images from Etsy, I think. I'm going to use my crew-cut machine to do the lettering in vinyl, and then I'm going to do a print and cut little stickers for the images. I'm so proud of the little drinks cards that I made for the bar. Sorry, they took ages, but definitely worth it. Super cute. Love them, love, love, love them. And then I've got the stands here. So I'm gonna put them on the bar like this. I am DIY Darcy. Started laying out the bags, so I've got a thank you card to go in each bag, one of these to go in each bag, and then I'm going to put the name tags or the gift tags on each one. So the kind of vibe that I'm going for is this to kind of stick out like this. So I'll tape either side and this to kind of be, I think it looks better on the black, for this to like poke out, kind of like this. I saw this on TikTok and I thought, oh, I like that, that's quite cute. So I'm about to get my nails done. This is what they look like now. I absolutely loved these yellow nails because yellow is like my favorite color. Now we're going to do a bit more of a party, engagement party, bridal nails. So I don't know what I'm going to pick yet, but I'll show you guys anyway. I went for a kind of chrome nudie nail. I am loving it. And I also think it goes really nicely with my dress. It's kind of been a few days and I forgot to pick up the camera, but my hair is now done. well, part one of my hair. The braids are out. I got a texture release. My hair's grown so much. I'm so happy. I'm gonna do a leave out the day before my engagement party, but this is like part one of getting my hair done. My nails are done, which I think I filmed some clips, so I'll put them in. Kind of like an iridescent kind of colour, which goes really nicely with the dress I want to go for. I have 3 dress options, which I'm going to show you guys as well. I'm not sure which one that I want to pick right now. It is time to do my hair part 2. I'm gonna get leave out, so my hair's already straight, but I think I'm gonna just do a wash just so it's fresh and then get leave out, and I'll see you guys after. I might film a little bit in the salon as well. Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. It is Funto's engagement party. Funto's currently driving at the moment. She's got her hair all pinned up and everything. We're on the way to London now. We're basically gonna pick up the cake first, and then we're gonna go to Sexy Fish, pull the stuff down. I've literally got everything here, so these are the goodie bags at the end for everyone. So we just got to the hotel. I'm pretty sure Hannah has already started off this vlog. Today is my engagement party. My hair is in curls. We just went to Sexy Fish. I think we got some footage of us putting the stuff in there. We're about to check into the hotel and I'll do a quick room tour. Say hey! Hey! Just checked in, got the bathroom. It's really well lit, and we have got, oh, they left a cute little message. Emmy London. And then we have a balcony, I'm pretty sure, which is very rare in London hotels, I think. Well, the London hotels I'd be staying at. Oh. Cute. Some macaroons here. I don't actually like them, but I'm gonna try. We're just doing the inside. Yeah, coffee. Try the green. Oh, God. Try the green. Got really good macarons there. Pistachio. I think I prefer the coffee. And this one, I'm not sure. Is that orange? These are alright. Orange. Oh God. That's really good. Yeah. Time to take the curls out. The makeup artist is on her way. Oh, she almost scared me because she's late and I had no communication, and I was like, oh my God, she's gonna cancel. But she said she's on her way. But let me take these out and see what we got. We ready to go?
I get the love. Get the love. She just when I get the love. When I get the love.
Buy a few drinks and tell them it's on me. If they don't believe, then tell them they gon' see. I send your girlfriend a wish eating emoji. She sent me back eyes, but she's so naughty.
I'm in debrief. I'm looking very different to how I was looking yesterday. Let me, look a bit more. I just put my hair up in a clip. The curls held so well. Yesterday was such a good night. Everyone had such a good time. I'm so grateful to my family and friends. My mum was spraying me dollar. She made me do a little dance, spraying me dollar. I'm rich, guys. Me and my $1 bills. I'm rich, okay? We also, I would have videoed everything to be honest, but the photo booth was like the best decision ever. I'm gonna leave his details down below. I can't remember what the company's called, but the man's called Steve, and Steve is the best. Let me show you some of the pictures. Can we just, these pictures are amazing. I wanted black and white Kardashian style, and that's exactly what I got. This is Steve. Did a little test pic. I'm literally keeping this forever. I love them. He did such a good job. Made it this far. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.